Hello everyone, welcome back to Eiko Ekai wa Ichinchi Hitakoto. So in the previous version, I used to talk all in Japanese, but for this new version, I'm just going to talk in English. So let's see how this goes. So today, I'm going to say a word, an English phrase, and I want you to write it down. Okay, ready? I'll say it twice. So get ready. Here it is. What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Write it down and I will get down to explaining it. Okay, so the answer is, what do you do for a living? What do you do for a living? Okay, so this phrase, you would use it when you want to ask someone about their job or profession in English. When you ask, what do you do for a living? You're curious about what kind of work they do to earn money. And sometimes we would just say, what do you do? Without the for a living part, okay? But I guess it would be better if you just remember the for a living version, okay? Now let's practice it and say it together. I'll say it slowly. Please repeat after me. What do you do for a living? Once again, what do you do for a living? Did you notice how I put all the words together? I said it pretty slowly, but I put all the words together. I linked all the words. So when you want to pronounce it in English, do that as much as you can, okay? Just try, okay? So now, normal speed. What do you do for a living? Okay, so that's how we usually say it. So if you remember that phrase, next time a native speaker or an English speaker asks you your job, I think you'll be able to understand it. Okay, so by the way, if I were to answer that question, I would say I'm an English teacher, or I create educational videos on YouTube about English phrases. All right, so anyway, that's all for today, and I'd love to hear from you what you do for a living, okay? And please share your answers in the comment section below. And anyway, thank you very much for watching today's Ichinchi Hitakoto. Remember to practice this phrase and use it next time you want to learn about someone's job. Okay, and for you beginners, my entire script, almost, not the whole entire script, but 90% of the script is in the details section, or you can always use the subtitles function on YouTube to check out what I was saying. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you in the next video lesson, and while you wait, have a good one. Bye!